This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for May 17, 2024. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up by 1.85 points or 0.45% to 417.33. Trading volume was moderate but much higher than yesterday, around 6 times higher in fact, with 355.59 shares changing hands at a trading value of around $286,580 or 1.16 billion Khmer Real. Today's percentage rise winner was the Phnom Penh SEZ plc, which rose by 9.85% or 200 Real per share to a share price of 2,230 Real per share. Phnom Penh SEZ plc also recorded the largest trading volume and trading value, with 198,592 shares changing hands at a total value of 442.8 million Khmer Real or over $108,000. Pestec Cambodia plc once again saw the second highest percent rise by 2.74% or 60 Real per share to a share price of 2,250 Real per share. All other stocks on the main board saw some percentage rise with the exception of 3. Akleda Bank plc and MJQ Education plc recorded slight percentage drops by 0.26 and 0.49% respectively, while the Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority was the only stock to stay flat. Despite the percentage drops, Akleda Bank plc and MJQ Education plc recorded the second and third largest trade volumes and trade values, demonstrating the more dominant share positions these stocks hold in the Cambodian market. Meanwhile, on the growth board, DBD Engineering saw a 0.92% rise or 20 Real per share rise to 2,200 Real per share, while JS Land plc dropped by 0.5% or by 20 Real to 3,970 Real per share. In other market news, more companies have released their first quarterly reports for 2024. The Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority reported a 28.67% quarter-on-quarter rise in profit, generating a total revenue of over $26.1 million or 106.8 billion Khmer Real in Q1 2024. Pestec Cambodia plc reported a 48.3% decrease in revenue compared to the same period in 2023, recording only a total revenue of 9.9 billion Khmer Real in Q1 2024 or over $2.4 million compared to 2023's 19.16 billion Khmer Real or over $4.6 million. Khmer Real to USD strengthened slightly to 4,077, with the US dollar index hovering around 104.72. Brent crude oil rose 39 cents or by 0.47% to $83.66 a barrel, while West Texas Intermediate crude was up 22 cents or 0.28% at $79.45. Spot gold was up 0.4% at $2,384.86 per ounce, while U.S. gold futures rose by 0.2% at $2,389.2. U.S. stock index futures slipped on Friday after all 3 main indices touched record highs on Thursday, with the Dow briefly crossing the 40,000 milestone before reversing gains and closing in the red. These sharp gains were underpinned by hopes of U.S. Federal Reserve interest rate cuts after softer-than-expected consumer inflation data. Nevertheless, S&P 500 and NASDAQ were still set for their 4th straight week of gains. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for May 17th.